In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a file in Adobe Express if you want to keep your projects organized and easy to find later. Renaming your files is a simple but very helpful habit. Adobe Express makes this process quick, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect on screen. To begin, go to Adobe Express and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main workspace. This is where you can access your designs, templates, and saved projects. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you can see the file you want to update. Next, look over to the left-hand panel. In that menu, find the section labeled Your Stuff and click on it. This area contains your Adobe Express files and projects, so it's the place you'll use whenever you want to manage work you've already created. After that, you'll see your available files. Take a moment to locate the specific project you want to rename. Once you've found it, move your mouse over that project card. When you hover over it, a More Options button will appear in the top right corner of the file. Click that button to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, look for the Rename option and click it. This will open a small rename window where you can update the file name. If you have several similar projects, this is a good time to choose a clear and descriptive name so it's easier to recognize later. For example, you might use a name based on the project type, version, or purpose, as long as it helps you identify the file quickly. Now type in the new file name you want to use. Double-check the spelling and make sure it reflects the project accurately. When you're happy with the new name, click Save. Adobe Express will then apply the change, and your file will appear with its updated name in your project list. And that's it. Your file has been renamed. As a quick reminder, the full process is to sign into Adobe Express, open your stuff, hover over the project, click the More Options menu, select Rename, enter the new file name, and save the change. It's a small action, but it can make a big difference when you're managing multiple designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.